Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're going to be doing part 2 of making custom objects from your suggestions. So you guys really enjoyed the previous episode, like it got a lot of comments really quickly, a lot of people enjoyed it, supported it and all that, so we're going to go ahead and make another one today. But one thing that people mentioned was we should make this a weekly series, so I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. So next episode will be around a week from now. So if you've got any ideas for any custom objects, then reply to the comment I'll leave in, or I should leave a comment. I can't remember, depends if I will or not. I just need to remember to do it. Yeah, if I leave a comment saying leave your suggestions here, reply to that comment, because yeah, the comments got literally filled up with ideas and it's quite hard to get through it all. But yeah, I'm also going to leave a comment for a Q&A as well, because that's what I've decided I'm going to be doing for the 2,000 subscriber special. So if you've got any questions, then reply to that comment as well. But anyways, let's get started with the custom objects. And yeah, make sure if you haven't already subscribed, because yeah, maybe one of your ideas will get featured. So anyways, let's see what we got first. So it says create a star named Bosporus. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's a fictional star. This star is supposed to be at the very edge of the observable universe, so in our sight it's 46.5 billion light years away. Right, cool info. Anyways, the mass of the star is, okay, so 2.87 solar masses. Okay, so we'll start off with that. So, don't need the these planet colours for now. So, let's just go with a random main sequence star to begin with. Or should we do a random known? Let's just do a random known star. Okay, so, let's go ahead and start with this. So, let's see what we've got here. So, right, so I just need to remember all these numbers. So 2.87 suns. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter that in. So let's turn this option off as well. So 2.87, like so. Okay, so made it a little bigger. So then let's put the name of it in as well. So Bosporus, I think is that how you say it. So yeah, apologies if I'm doing it wrong, because yeah, I'm never good at pronouncing. Right, so we got all that. Right, so next up we need to make the radius, I believe. So let's see here. Temperature's 3,490, so let's go ahead and do that. So 3490, like so. Whoa, what the heck? I typed in 3490. What is this? 3490. Okay, you can do that, I guess. What just happened? What was that? It just vaporized into nothing. What even happened there? Oh wow, that's ridiculous. Okay, well, apparently it didn't want to cooperate, so let's try another star. Okay, let's just use this one this time. Maybe it'll work with this, since it's already around a similar temperature. So, let's turn this option off. So, go 2.87, like that. Okay, so 2.87 suns. So, then we'll go back to the notes here. So, temperature's 3490. Well, it's... Okay, yeah, we'll lower it. I was going to say we should leave it the same, but yeah, let's do it. So 3490, please don't ruin the star. Okay, there we go. Alright, so next up we have got the... Okay, so luminosity is 6.92 suns, so let's go ahead and do that. So luminosity 6.92, like so. And then last, we'll do radius, so I believe it was 4 million. Yeah, 4 million. So let's go ahead and enter that in. So let's go... Okay, so 40, 400, 4,000, 40,000, 400,000, 4 million, like that. So that's in radius. So there we go. Wait, was it radius or diameter? No, it was, it just says size. So I don't know if that is diameter or radius. So I'm going to assume it's radius, because that's pretty much what everyone has said. So, yeah. If you want me to change it, then just let me know and I'll put it to 800,000 or I'll put it up to 400,000, like whatever you want. Like, yeah, just let me know if this is wrong. But anyways, let's go ahead and paste the name in. So let's go ahead and do that. So Bosporus, let's put a space in front of it so it goes at the top of the list of custom objects. Then we're going to go actions, save this object, and there we go. Yeah, so yeah, I'm hoping the radius is correct there with 4 million kilometers, but it didn't say radius or diameter, so I'm assuming it's radius. So hopefully that works. Right, so now we've got our first object there, so it should now hopefully appear in the list here. So let's see what we got. So there it is, right at the very front of the list now. Because I did remove the black dwarf, I believe, and I moved it down here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Because it wasn't a glowing object, so I only have glowing objects up here now. So yeah, this is now the new #1 spot, so looking good. Alright, so what we got next? There's a lot of ideas, so yeah, if you did comment an idea and I'm not doing it in this video, then my apologies, because there was a lot of stuff to get through, and yeah. Don't know if I saw every comment, but yeah, there was a lot to go through, and some of them didn't have or didn't meet the criteria that I requested, which was like it didn't have a name, or like it didn't have the size of the object or something like that. Or some of them literally were very, very basic. It's not really enough information to go on to create an object. So yeah, if you want me to create an object, then let me know its mass, its radius, if you want it to be a gas giant, a rocky planet, or a star, its luminosity, surface temperature, and if it's a rocky planet, what elements you want on it, and what color as well. And if it's a gas giant, also let me know what color, because it's quite hard if you literally only give me like, or tell me to do one thing, because some of them are like, I don't know any specifically, but yeah, some were like create a rocky planet, and then it literally just said mass or radius or something. It wasn't specific enough to create a custom object on. So my apologies if your object is not here, but just please specify a little more, because I want to get the most detailed, unique objects possible for the upcoming custom solar system. So yeah, hopefully that I've got all that out the way, and hopefully no one gets mad. But yeah, oh well. So next up we have got yeah. So okay, so a gas giant. So radius of 1,000, mass of 6 watts. Color light blue, and then it has a name. So is it 6 Jupiters or 6 Earths or 6 Neptune? I don't know. So okay, so we can get a gas giant out. So okay, so they want it in light blue. Okay, so we could either go with the regular Uranus here, because this is quite a light blue, or we could go with the custom Uranus. So it's either this or this. So let me get it. Uranus. Let me just search it up. It's a lot easier. There we go. So let's go ahead and place this here. So it's either going to be one of these colours. So I think we should roll with a regular Uranus, because we haven't made any custom objects on this. So let's try this. So light blue. That's that done. So next up is so the name is R9784. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay. So there's that. Then it's what we've got next. So yeah, he wants it as a gas giant. So radius 1,000. So I'm getting 1,000 kilometers. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, it's made it not even a gas giant. Wait, is that going to ruin its gas giant? Ah, oh, damn it. It has. Damn you, Uranus. Okay, let's get a new one. That's quite annoying. So let's go for a new Uranus. What the heck? Oh, there it is. That's pretty weird. So let's just go and make it all hydrogen, so it doesn't like go all weird. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so there we go. Then he said 1,000 radius. This is going to be a very, very small gas giant. So all the way down there. Oh, look how cute it is. It's so small. And then it said, yeah, mass of 6. So I'm assuming this is 6 Earths, because if it was Jupiter's, I don't think it would fit in such a small object like this. So, or moons maybe? 6 Earths or moons, I don't really know. So 6. Why is it even going to allow me to make it 1,000? Okay, it doesn't seem like it wants to cooperate here, so I guess we're going to have to lock the radius and make it... Actually, let's just go 6 moons, because even Earth is pushing it. So hopefully that is what you want. But yeah, this is sort of one of the comments where it's a little funny, and there's not really specifying enough information. So yeah, that's what I meant when I meant about not being specific enough, because yeah, it has the name, but it doesn't say. It just says mass of 6. I don't know, 6 what? 6 Earths, Jupiters. Yeah, sorry if I'm sounding a little savage, but I need to know if I'm going to do it properly. So yeah. Because I don't want to like make the wrong object and get anyone upset. I want to make it as perfect as possible to the request. So I'm assuming that is correct. So we're going to go ahead and save this. But it's quite nice to have a small little gas giant. Can't complain with that. So there we go. So yeah, we'll roll with that for now. Actually, let's make it a little unique though, because it didn't say any specific thing about what way it should be tilted. So let's have it upright like that. Let's try that. So let's save it, and there we go. Right, so now we've got that one out of the way. So we've done 2 objects so far. So we've got Vesperius, and then we've got R9784. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so what we got next? Let's see here. So back to the word pad. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so I need to go back to one of the objects from last episode, because one of you said you wouldn't mind having a name change. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's see if I can find it. So blue dice. Remember this from last episode? One of a very nice object this is actually. So oh yeah, this is one with a climate mode on it as well. This is a very unique, nice looking object. That is a really nice object, actually. That is definitely one of the coolest ones. So let's see what we've got here. So can you change the name to Blue Dias Core? Sure, let's go ahead and do that. So let's go here, and let's paste it in, and there you go, all done. So let's go ahead and save it like so, and then we'll just go ahead and delete the old one from the list, since we don't need both of them. So Let's go up here. So, where is it? So, actually, hello. Where? Wait, let me reload that. I don't know what was going on there. Okay, so blue dye, that's cool. So, okay, so let's get rid of the old one from last episode. Now we've got the updated one there. Okay, cool. So, there's that out of the way. Let me just check the comment again so I didn't miss anything. So it's a cold planet with a diamond core. You can tell it's okay. And don't forget the rings in the simulation. Yeah, I may forget about that, but if I want the simulation or the solar system simulation we will be making will be multiple parts. So if I don't add the rings in, I usually do the rings at the end anyway. Just let me know on that video. But anyways, we got next. So, okay, let's see here. So I think I also need to go back to another one here. So let me look for it. Okay, so Space Nerds Planet. This was also from last episode. So there's a green object. Very, very nice. Okay, so yeah, so that is a nice green. So it says I need to change the high elevation to snow. So let's go ahead and do that. So basic high elevation. Let's put it to a white color. Okay, there we go. So if we just remove the clouds and stuff like that, you can see there's a bit of white there. Not really the most white on it. So maybe we could change it a little more because there's really not much white on it at all. So what about low elevation? Can we change that? Nah, that ruins it, I think. Let's put it back to what it was. Okay, so something like that. But actually, no, was it? Let me try that again. Wait, if I get a new one. So, okay, there we go. So, if we have this on just white, like that, okay? So, how like that? What we could do is do this. So, change it to a gas giant and then back to a rocky planet, because then it resets the surface color. So now you can see there's a lot more high elevation on it with a white color. So, just go ahead and do that. So, you can see there's a lot more white there now. So, I'm just I'll just put this as 2.0 for now, and I'll save that. So just let me know which one you want more. Do you want the one we already had with a little bit of white, or do you want the updated one here with a lot more white bits on it? Yeah, just let me know. I'll save this, so we've got both of them there. But yeah, just let me know if you want the 1.0 or the 2.0, because yeah, both objects will be saved here now. So there we go. So 2.0 and 1.0. So yeah, which one do you want me to keep? And actually, let's just go ahead and update the original one quick and put the white back on it. So let's go ahead and just do that. Okay, so there we go. So, yeah, because I've sort of changed this one a bit too much. So, which one of these do you prefer? Just let me know down below. Because, yeah, this doesn't have too much white bits on it. And since you did say you wanted white high elevation on it, then I think this guy would be more appropriate since there's a lot more white bits on it. So, yeah, just let me know which one you want, because they're both saved anyway. So, right, what have we got next? So, okay, so, oh, someone wants me to make him a second planet. Okay, we can do that. Right, so view more. Second planet, the size of the moon, and make it frozen with the colour of white and light blue. Make the atmosphere of Mars and call it Alaska. Okay, we can roll with that. So, atmosphere of Mars. So, we're going to have to go over here to the coloured themes. So, we're going to have to go to the pink one, because this is based off of a Mars. It has a Mars atmosphere on it. And as you can see, it has a climate mode as well. So, the only planet with climate mode and a red atmosphere is Mars. So, yeah, this was originally Mars. So, let's go back to the comment again. So, white and light blue. Okay, so let's go ahead and name it Alaska as well. So Alaska, is that how you spell it? Alaska. Yeah, that's how you spell it. So, okay, cool. So I'm guessing that's where you're from then. Wait, where did Alaska go? Wait, oh, I named it on the brown one. Whoops. You didn't see that. So Alaska. Oh, Alaska. There we go. I don't write American states, so yeah, I'm not the best on spelling. So, all right. So the size of the moon. So we'll go radius 1 moon. So it makes it a little smaller. So, yeah, there's that. So, yeah, the size of the moon, and call it, so there's nothing on mass. So, I'm assuming size means the radius, not the mass. So, size of the moon, and make it frozen with the colour white and light blue. So, let's change the colour. So, we've got white. Let's do a bit more white, and then we'll go to light blue as well. So, there we go. So, something like that with the Mars atmosphere. So, it's sort of like a cold planet with like a warmer looking atmosphere. Well, yeah, what do you think of that? I think that looks pretty cool, actually. That's a very nice, unique looking object there. I like that. That's cool. So let's go ahead and just put that all to white. Okay, there we go. So what do you think of that? So then we go like that. And then does it say I need to add water? Because they said wanted to make frozen. So it says make it frozen with the colour. So does it mean make it frozen as in add a bit of water to it and have it as white with a bit of blue? Because adding a bit of water may make it a little different. We're going to have to try and get this to work pretty properly. So, okay, so maybe something like this. Let's try and lower that a bit more. Anything going to appear? Game, you going to do anything? So what about that? So it's got, if we just remove all this, so it's got some frozen ice on it. It's got white and light blue. So does that look good? Or is it maybe a little too much water still? If we lower this a bit more, we'll press that. Oh, that just gets rid of all of it. That's quite annoying. Okay, here we go. So, like that. Does that look good? I think that looks pretty cool. And then with the atmosphere all on, there you go. That is a very unique object, like the blue with the red atmosphere. I don't make many objects where the atmosphere is a different color to the surface. So, that is a nice addition to the list of custom objects there. So, and then the albedo is just on the basic Mars, I think that is. So, there we go. Yeah, it literally just doesn't say anything about the atmosphere or anything like that. So, I'll just leave those stats the way they are. Alright, so there we go. So, that's all saved now. So, that should be at the very top of my planets list. So, let's go just back on here again. Okay, so it should be... Oh, no, it gets beaten by 51 Pegasi B and then 55 Cancri. So, it's right there. So, it's in the third planet. So, looking good. That is a nice. But anyway, can we get a new pink here just in case we need it later? So, let's leave that there for now. Okay, cool. So, let's go ahead and move Alaska with the other objects over there for now. Actually, where are the other objects? Pretty far away, actually. So, let's just go ahead and move all these guys a little closer. So, and then let's move the star a little closer as well. Why not? There we go. Okay, so there we are. So it's just, yeah, let's put these guys really close here just so they're all nice and lined up. So there we go. So this is all of the objects so far today. So that's looking good. Let's make sure we add the atmosphere back onto Space Nerds Planet 2.0. So there we go. Yeah, remember to let me know if you want to keep 2.0 or the 1.0. But anyways, what have we got next? So let's see here. Oh, we've only been going for 16 minutes. Wow. Damn, these do take their time to go through a bit. Okay, so... Oh yeah, here's a nice one here. Straight to the point. So name QWERTY. It's got a Q in it. Ugh. Okay, so I really don't know how to pronounce this, so my apologies. So there's a name, then it says size 2 Earths, rocky planet, the colour as orange, red, and white, and then add water. Okay, so straight to the point with that. Okay, cool. So let's go with a random rocky planet. Actually, no, hang on. What colours they say? They said anything on atmosphere colour. So orange, red, and white. Okay, so let's go with a orange atmosphere. So let's go to the orange over here. So here's orange. So we'll go with an orange atmosphere. Let's paste the name in there. So yeah, I'm sorry, but QWERTY? Is that how you say it? I really don't know. My apologies. Like I said, I'm never good at pronouncing things. So then he wanted red. So red or white, red, and orange. So let's go for a nice darker orange there. So there we go. So something like that maybe. And then he did say add water. So oh, it's a little too much water there. It's really not how the water works. It never used to act like this. It's a little weird. So let's go and spam that a bit just so we get a bit more water. Come on, game. Give us some water. Come on, please. Where's the water going to appear? There you go. Okay. So, ooh, that is looking good. Let's actually put the temperature up to 20 degrees. Just so we can actually see the water on it. Well, I'm hoping... Is it going to work? Come on. Temperature. 50 degrees? Okay, we'll have to load that in a new simulation to get the water on it working properly. So, that kind of sucks. But, oh well. So, let's see what else. Anything else? So, it said... So, it's a rocky planet. So, the size of 2 Earths. I'm assuming that is mass. Because he did say 2 Earths. So, I'm assuming that's 2 Earths in mass. So, that made its radius bigger. So... Okay, so it doesn't say anything about radius. He said rocky planet, and then he wants orange, red, and white, which we've done. So, yeah, what do you think of that? That look good? We can always resurface it like this. Actually, let's just resurface it just so we get something a little more unique. So, let's see what we got here. So you don't want it looking like the default orange planet I have. Ooh, I like that one. That's looking good. Oh, and the water's appeared now. Cool. Oh, that's how you fit. That's how you can get water to load up quicker. Then you just make it a gas giant. Okay, looking good. So it's put it the correct way up, and this is a very nice object as well, like a red, orange, white sort of world there. That's cool. I like that. So we've got a nice yeah, deep red. Let's maybe lower it a bit. No, let's keep it on nice bright red. Why not? So there we go. What do you think of that? That look good? So let's go ahead and save this guy as well, like so, and then it will be definitely near the bottom of the list since it's got a Q as its first letter. So it'll be down here somewhere. So whereabouts is it? Let's see here. Oh, there it is. You can really spot that one. It's a nice red object in the middle of all these darker coloured ones. So looking good. So let's go ahead and go all the way over here and add it with all the other custom objects. So the largest object so far, apart from the star. So the largest planet. There we go. We only got one little gas giant. Well, I wouldn't really call it a giant, but yeah, one mini gas. Yeah, let's know them as mini gases. Let's call them that. Alright, so what we've got next up? Well, we're only halfway through here. This may have to be a two-parter, but actually, no, I will try and get them all done today because I don't want to be like, I don't want to leave only like 1 or 2 comments because that would kind of suck. So, okay, so I did leave a note to myself about black holes because someone requested a black hole, but the problem with black holes is they are very, very buggy. So I'm gonna say I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna make a black hole because Yeah, like I say, I'm sorry if I'm sounding savage, but I've had some real problems with black holes before. That's why I never use them, and I put them to the bottom of my the bottom of my list here. They are really annoying to make and cool, and really like get them the correct size. So yeah, don't request black holes, please. And the thing is with black holes as well, in the custom or in the solar system we're gonna make, a black hole really makes life hard. So I've tried doing a black hole in one of the systems before, and it did not go well. So yeah, my apologies, but I don't want to do a black hole, because they really are a real pain to deal with. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing now. So make a custom object called HD189773b. It's a gas giant, mass of 1.13 Jupiters, and a radius of 85,000 kilometers. So you should also make this from the custom Uranus, since this object has a light blue sort of atmosphere. Okay, so nice and simple as well. So let's just actually base it off the Uranus here. So let's go ahead and find it here. Or we could use this ice one, because it's similar. Because it will get, like, we don't want too many objects looking like the custom Uranus. So and that one is relatively similar. Like, it's just got a little darker blue at the top. So although it isn't completely EuroQuest, I do want to have some different looking objects in here. So I'm gonna say no to that, and we're gonna try this. Just because I don't want all the objects looking the same, because we already do have a lot of light blue looking objects, I think. Yes, we have the Epson Indrani C there, and then we do have the Uranus as well. If we have more and more objects all the same, or all looking the same, it will get quite repetitive. Is that where I should put it? I don't know. So yeah, we'll leave that. I think we'll use this, because it is cool to have different objects. So maybe I'll use it in this year's size comparison, because yeah, don't worry, there will be a size comparison coming this year. So yeah, it'll be coming out on the 1st of August, because that's the 1-year anniversary of me making videos on YouTube. So yeah, my first video was a size comparison. My 1-year special last year also was a size comparison. So this year, my 2-year special will be a size comparison as well. So maybe I'll use that in this. And I don't want to have two objects looking exactly the same in the size comparison, because people will be like, oh, they look the same. Because those videos, although they are the most loved, they also are the most criticised, I've noticed as well. So yeah, can't argue with criticism. No, nothing can be perfect, but yeah, people don't like some of the things. And it kind of makes me laugh how people are saying, oh, Pluto is smaller than Eris, and some of these stars don't exist and stuff. Like, it's quite funny. So right, there's that. So let's get back onto this. So 1.13 Jupiters. Let's go ahead and do that right now. So 1.13, like that. Let's turn off this setting. Oh, this is definitely the biggest planet so far. So let's put it over there. And then the radius was 85,000. So it's already pretty much that anyway. So 85 and then 0, 0, 0, like so. And it's, of course, it's changed the radius or the mass, which is quite annoying. So can we do that now? Oh, it's going to play this game, is it? Okay. That's going to get annoying. So we just have to lock the mass and go 85,000 like that. And there you go. So let's go ahead and save that. And boom. So now I can delete the template I had for that, which was this ice planet, since we don't need it anymore. So let's delete that. And now we've got the new one here. So looking good. Well, it's right next to the biggest exoplanet as well. Look at that. Yeah, still no match for this guy. This guy is just ridiculously large. It's probably a brown dwarf as well. There's no way a planet could be this big. But yeah, probably is a brown dwarf. Yeah, that guy's huge though. Alright, so there we go, there's that. Okay, what we got next? So make a terrestrial planet, radius 2 to 3 Earths. So, or mass and radius 2 to 3 Earths. So I'm guessing he means they're both the same, like mass and radius 2.3 Earths. So 4% water. Oh, it's going to be very, very Pacific. Okay, I like this. So have a small ring around it. Again, remind me in the system, or remind me when I start making the system if you want rings on your planets or not. Because yeah, this is just a curation simulator or simulation. I'm not. This simulation is literally just to make new planets. That's why I've got all the coloured templates I have there. So yeah, if you want rings on your object, let me know when I start making the solar system. Anyways. So, well, I do say anyways a little too much. I need to fix that. Oh, I missed something from earlier. Actually, wait. Let me go back to Space Nerd's planet. I literally just saw it. Well, I'm so sorry. Alright, so let me go back to that. So, Okay, so 2.3 masses of Earth. Yeah, I literally just missed over that bit. So let's go to Earth. So 2.3. Wasn't it? Yeah, 2.3. So 2.38. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2.38. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in radius, like that. Oh, and this one's playing up as well, is it? So 2.38. So let's lock that. And then radius 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like that. And then again, let me know if you want 2.0 or 1.0. So we'll leave that like that for now. So that's looking good. So now this is the largest rocky planet of today. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, my apologies, I didn't do it, or I didn't fix that earlier. That's quite annoying. Alright, so what we got next? So, okay, so yeah, terrestrial planet. Okay, so let's go over a whole new one from over here. Wait, does it say a color? Wait, let me check. Okay, so a light blue. Okay, so we use this one here to base it off of, because this is the lightest blue I can get with the atmosphere. So we'll go ahead and use this. So what we've got next? So 2.3 Earths. We'll do it for mass and radius because he literally said it like that. So 2.3, and then Earth 2.3. Whoa, this one really wants to change. So 2.3. So lock that, and then 2.3. Hold on, 2.3. There we go. So quite large. So let's go and do that. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So okay, so that's the name of it. So let's go ahead and paste that in there. I really don't know how to pronounce that. Naich. I'm really sorry, I can't pronounce. So grey, white, and a unsaturated light blue. So quite a dull, more of a dull looking sort of planet. So I guess that's sort of like an unsaturated sort of blue and then grey, something like that. So if we just go ahead and remove this, and I'll also change it to a gas giant because I don't want the same looking colour as the template. So let's go for a cool look here, so we can get. Let's try that. I think that looks actually nah. Let's try. Yeah, we'll roll that one. I like this one. Looks good. So have that as white and then have this as grey, maybe. Oh no, this one, this color definitely looks better as the grey. So let's have it like that. Well, that's a little too dark. Maybe a little brighter, a lighter grey. Then this will be white. Then it's got the light blue like that. So that look good. I think I hope that's correct. So color grey. Give it an atmosphere of nitrogen and oxygen. I can't give it an atmosphere of any specific material in the game right now, but we can change the elements in it. So, okay, so he wanted it to be made of a lot of iron, I believe. So 96% iron. So let's go all the way to 96. So 90. Okay, so 96.1. That's pretty much correct. So can we get it to 96, 95? Can we lower this a bit? Okay, 96. Okay, there we go. So 96, and then let's see here. So, and it says about moons. I won't be making moons yet since we're not in the solar system. So 96 iron and then 4 water. So let's go and lower all that, and then put this to 4. So try and get it dead on 4. So there we go, 96 and 4. So a very, very iron sort of world. But the thing with having it as 4 water is it will literally just be a ball of water. So we can see the surface, because you did mention about colour. I think it's probably best we have it like this. So it's right in how it says 100% iron, even though there is a bit of water on it. So yeah, let me know. I can always update the object. Remember, if you guys don't like the way I've made your object, then just let me know and I can update it. No problem. So let's go ahead and move this guy over here. I do like the way this looks, though. It's that is a nice looking planet. So add the atmosphere back, and there you go. Yeah, so yeah, if this is wrong in any way, let me know. So I'm always happy to change it. And then you'd say get it at minus 130. So let's do minus 130 like that, and that should hopefully all work now. It will, once we reload this into a new object, or should we just save it right now, and then we just summon the new one? It will have the ice on it. Actually, oh, apparently not. Okay, well, you can do that as well. Well, we can always change it. It's not a problem. So right there is that for now. So there's that. So there's a nice bunch of objects we made so far today. So it's good. So what we got next? So so we've got another Neptune. So one massive Jupiter Neptune, and its radius is more than Jupiter, and then call it Chris's planet. Okay, nice and simple. So we go to a good old Neptune here. Yeah, can't complain with a Neptune. We all like Neptune. So there we go. Yeah, a lot of you guys seem to like it as well. So yeah, we'll use Neptune, so we'll have it all upright like that. So here's Neptune. So then it says one massive Jupiter on a Neptune. All right, let's roll with this. So one massive Jupiter, and then it has to be bigger than Jupiter. So let's see here. So there's Jupiter. So Jupiter is 69,000. So let's put the density a little less. So let's go 1.0 or just 1. There we go. So doing that, it made its radius bigger, as you can see here. So there you go. Neptune bigger than Jupiter. So there's that. And then the name was Chris's planet. So let's go ahead and copy that in like this. So paste that there, and there you go. So looking good. That isn't. Can never complain with a Neptune blue. Gotta love that colour so much. That is definitely one of the coolest colours in the game. One day I hope we can make like custom gas giants, because some of you have been saying about making custom gas giants, and there is a way to do it by editing the files, but I'm not really a programmer. Even like looking tutorials, I'm not very good at it. Like as some of the projects I do in college, even though it gives me instructions, I'm not very good at doing it. So I really want to do it, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. I have looked at some instructions and it isn't very easy, I don't think. So yeah, we're going to have to wait for it to come into the game to get custom coloured gas giants. But yeah, hopefully it will come eventually. So yeah, there's definitely so. Okay. Oh, we've only got a few left now. Okay, so keep the custom Uranus. So make the custom Uranus the massive. Okay, so let's get the custom Uranus. Like I did mention earlier, we don't want too many replicas of the same coloured object, because otherwise they'll all be the same and it'd be pretty annoying. So yeah, this is the same as the custom Uranus. It's just easier to find. So this is the custom Uranus here. So okay, so a mass of 7 Jupiters. Ooh, that's big. So 7 Jupiters. Ooh, look how big this is. Okay, this is huge. Well, it's definitely not as big as this bad boy, obviously, but yeah, this is still pretty big. So mass of 7 Jupiters. 45, or is that 45,000? Okay, that's radius. So let's put that. Actually, lock the mass first. So turn that off. Lock the mass, and then put the radius to that number there. Oh, it's making it larger than the largest exoplanet. This guy is getting big. Is this bigger than the sun? Wait. No, I don't think it is, but this is almost as big as the sun, I think. Sun. There's the sun. Look at it. This thing is massive. This is huge. Damn. Okay, so and name it Uranus with a U or a Y, sorry. So let's go and put that in there. So paste that there. Okay, cool. So Uranus. I think that's how it's said. Keep it tilted halfway as Uranus, so we're going to have them face it like that. So there you go. Oh, and the sun is too bright. We've got to get rid of that. So that is now tilted on its side like Uranus. Let's just get a Uranus for comparison there. So let's just place one of those bad boys here. So as you can see from Uranus, it is slightly pointing downwards. So we're going to do the same with this guy like that. So yeah, there you go. That's pretty much the same sort of tilt as Uranus. So either way, it's definitely similar. So there you go. So there's Uranus. It's all that size done correctly. So anything else? Make it spin very slow at 1,000 years. So right, let's do this. So years. So 1,000 years. Big object, and it takes 1,000 years for this to rotate. Damn, that's pretty crazy. Look at its rotational speed, 0.0896 meters a second. Because it's such a large object, that makes it even worse. Yeah, this is a very, very slow object there. Okay, so there's that. Then next up. Oh, we got one here saying, customize the game version of Uranus and name it So Far Away. It has a mass of 11.5 Earths and the radius of 1,700. So, massive... Okay, so... Do you mean 1,700... Oh, no, 1,700 kilometers. What am I saying? Alright, yeah, so... Alright, let's go to... Okay, so Uranus... I don't know, we already have Uranus here. Okay, so let's just use this. So, let's get here. So, let's get the name first. So Far Away. That's what it's going to be called. So 11.5 Earths. Okay, so let's paste that in. So turn that off. So 11.5 Earths. Okay, there we go. And then the radius of 1,700. So let's lock the mass and then radius at 1,700 kilometers like that. So there you go. Looking good. So Far Away. And it's a custom Uranus. So let's save this like so. And there you go. Wait, do you say anything about rotating it? No, it literally just says mass and radius. So there is that. So that's looking good. And I think that is pretty much it for this episode. These are all of the objects that I had noted down. So yeah, like I said, if your object is not in here, then please describe it a little more, because I want to make these objects as unique as possible. So I'm not trying to be mean. I'm literally just stating that I want the objects to be very, very unique and custom. Like Alaska, I think this is my personal favourite of today. That is a very cool looking object. I really like how the Mars atmosphere blends with the blue and white surface like that. I think that looks really cool. So yeah, like I said, apologies if your object is not on here, but just give me a little more description of what your object wants to be, because yeah, then I add it in. It's not anything against you. I just want some more detail on the objects. Otherwise, it will become more my object than it is yours if I'm the one making up all the stats and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, hopefully no one hates on me for that. But if so, then I'm sorry. But yeah, there you go. That is that. So let's delete that. So well, we've got some more over here still, do we? So that's the original Space Earth. And blue dye, of course, that was from previous episodes. So let's go ahead and just remove these guys. So there we go. I think that is it. All for yeah, this episode. So there's all our objects. Let's get them all lined up here. So we've obviously got Uranus. We've obviously got our Bosporus star. Then we have also got HD 189. I'm so bad at writing reading all these numbers. So HD 189773b. So we could use this in the size comparison this year. Chris's planet as a really nice custom Neptune. Then we've got So Far Away, custom Uranus, Universe Sandbox version, not the custom Uranus. So there's that. Then we've got Niche, which is definitely a very nice looking object as well. So yeah, that is definitely a very nice one. I like Space Nurse Planet 2.0, where we updated it. Then we've got I don't know how to pronounce that one, but we've got this one here. So very nice red and orange sort of color blend. Then we just got, there's Alaska. Wait, oh no, that's the fake one. No, that's because I renamed it wrong. The real Alaska is here, which is definitely my personal favorite of today's episode, because I really, really like the way this one turned out. And then we've got R9784 here. So there's all that. But the question is this, or is Alaska better than the previous episode's best planet or my favorite one I made? So the previous one was whereabouts is it? Oh god, where is it? Oh, there's so many objects. Let me try and find it. Oh god, where was it? Oh, so many objects. Actually, where is it? Oh my god, I can't find it. I definitely saved it. I saved it in the video, I'm pretty sure, so it should be here somewhere. So whereabouts is it? Where is it? I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Fargo. This was the winner, or my personal favourite of last episode. So this object here, I really do enjoy this. I really do like this one. So which one of these is better, do you guys think? So do you think Alaska is better, or do you think Fargo is better? Yeah, because this is a very, I really like the colours on this one as well. Like, if we just remove all that, I think that is a really nice colour combination. But yeah, let me know. Which one of these do you like more? Do you like Alaska more? Or do you like Fargo more? Yeah, tell me what you guys think, because I won't say what I think. I won't say which one I think looks better. But yeah, you guys let me know. Which one of these do you think looks better out of my two personal favourites I've made so far? So yeah, there's all that. Yeah, so let me know. And like I said again, if your object was not included today and you did make a comment, then I'm sorry, but I need more of a description to make it. Because I do want it. I don't want me to be putting my ideas in that. I want you guys to tell me what to do, not me making little changes and stuff. So, yeah. So, hey, hopefully, like I said, hopefully no one gets mad. Don't hate me, please. So, yeah, there is that. And like I said, we're going to be doing another episode next week anyway. So, I'm going to keep doing these episodes since you guys seem to enjoy it. So, either way, if your episode isn't, or if your planet isn't featured today, then just re-comment it, and with a bit more description, then it should be in next week's episode. So, yeah, either way, you should win. So, yeah, there's that. Anyways, enough of me babbling on, because I'm getting a little too repetitive here. So, how long are we going? Oh, we're going almost 40 minutes now. Well, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quite long episode today, because custom objects are definitely one of my most favourite things to make episodes on. Like, they're just so fun, just making new objects and adding them to the custom list here. Like, look how many we have now. Apart from the bottom row is, well, the bottom row from Charlie Code to these black holes, these really annoying black holes, which are a real pain to deal with. Yeah, these don't really count. We have all of these custom objects. Just look at all this. So many. We're almost on, or we're on 3 rows of stars now. Let's try and get that to 4 rows. So that'd be cool. Yeah, give me some more custom star ideas maybe. Anyways, yeah, there's that. So yeah, like I said, I'm rambling on way too much here. So before we end off, let's just make sure we save all these, because it would suck if we didn't save. So let's just quickly just save them just in case. So let's save that. So let's save Chris's planet like so. Then this one here. I know this already saved, but just doing it just to be safe. So save this one as well. Actually, like, let's add the atmosphere back first, so it appears like that in the menu. So save. So then 2.0 will save you as well. Then Fargo, let's just save that even though we didn't edit it. Alaska, definitely one of the, or definitely the best one today. So there's that. This one here. And then the little tiny little Neptune there. So let's save all that, and I believe that's everything. Yeah, there's no more. And then let's just check over here just to check. Yeah, that's everything. So there we go, guys. So if you got any ideas for more custom objects, then leave them down below, because yeah, any ideas are welcome as long as you give me a decent enough description, so I don't have to put any of my own sort of edits to it to make it work. So yeah, and of course as well, if you want me to edit any of these objects, just let me know, because like I did today, I did edit this planet a bit. So yeah, just let me know if you want me to change it in any way. And yeah, I think that is that. Let me just double check. Yeah, let me just double check to make sure I've done anything, and yeah, I think that's everything. So I'm just checking the notepad here. So yeah, that's it. So make sure you guys all have a great day. Maybe leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. 2.87 suns. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter that in. So let's turn this option off as well. So 2.87, like so. Okay, so made it a little bigger. So then let's put the name of it in as well. So Bosporus, I think is that how you say it. So yeah, apologies if I'm doing it wrong, because yeah, I'm never good at pronouncing. Right, so we got all that. Right, so next up we need to make the radius, I believe. So let's see here. Temperature's 3,490. So let's go ahead and do that. So 3490, like so. Whoa, what the heck? I typed in 3490. What is this? 3490. Okay, you can do that, I guess. What just happened? What was that? It just vaporized. Doing for the 2,000 subscriber special. So if you've got any questions, then reply to that comment as well. But anyways, let's get started with the custom objects. And yeah, make sure if you haven't already subscribed, because yeah, maybe one of your ideas will get featured. So anyways, let's see what we got first. So it says create a star named Bosporus. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's a fictional star. This star is supposed to be at the very edge of the observable universe, so in our sight it's 46.5 billion light years away. Right, cool info. Anyways, the mass of the star is, okay, so 2.87 solar masses. Okay, so we'll start off with that. So, don't need the these planet colours for now. So, let's just go with a random main sequence star to begin with. Or should we do a random known? Let's just do a random known star. Okay, so, let's go ahead and start with this. So, let's see what we've got here. So, right, so I just need to remember all these numbers. So, Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. And today we're going to be doing part 2 of making custom objects from your suggestions. So you guys really enjoyed the previous episode. Like, it got a lot of comments really quickly. A lot of people enjoyed it, supported it and all that. So we're going to go ahead and make another one today. But one thing that people mentioned was we should make this a weekly series. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. So next episode will be around a week from now. So if you've got any ideas for any custom objects, then reply to the comment I'll leave in, or I should leave a comment. I can't remember, depends if I will or not. I just need to remember to do it. Yeah, if I leave a comment saying leave your suggestions here, reply to that comment, because yeah, the comments got literally filled up with ideas and it's quite hard to get through it all. But yeah, I'm also going to leave a comment for a Q&A as well, because that's what I've decided I'm going to be. It's into nothing. What even happened there? Oh wow, that's ridiculous. Okay, well apparently it didn't want to cooperate, so let's try another star. Okay, let's just use this one this time. Maybe it'll work with this, since it's already around the similar temperature. So let's turn this option off. So we'll go 2.87, like that. Okay, so 2.87 suns. So then we'll go back to the notes here. So temperature's 3490. Well, it's okay. Yeah, we'll lower it. I was going to say we should leave it the same, but yeah, let's do it. So 3490. Please don't ruin the star. Okay, there we go. All right. So next up, we have got the Okay, so luminosity is 6.92 suns. So let's go ahead and do that. So luminosity 6.92, like so. And then last, we'll do radius. So I believe it was 4 million. Yeah, 4 million. So let's go ahead and enter that in. So let's go. Okay, so 40, 400, 4,000, 40,000, 400,000, 4 million, like that. So that's in radius. So there we go. Wait, was it radius or diameter? No, it was, it just says size. So I don't know if that is diameter or radius. So I'm going to assume it's radius, because that's pretty much what, everyone has said. So, yeah. If you want me to change it, then just let me know and I'll put it to 800,000 or I'll put it up to 400,000, like whatever you want. Like, yeah, just let me know if this is wrong. But anyways, let's go ahead and paste the name in. So let's go ahead and do that. So Burst Bruce, let's put a space in front of it so it goes at the top of the list.